Sugar. My first hearing about the show was from my Canadian Toronto agent, who said, Lenore, you know, they're doing this cartoon series. It doesn't have a title yet. It's just they're calling it like a Project X, like it's a secretive project. And you've got to go down and audition because they want a woman with a low, sexy, husky voice who can do a Southern accent. And I had played Southerners on movies and television a few times at that point in time. But I had also just gotten back to Toronto from New York, where I'd been doing a play for, I did a play for about 3 years in Chicago, New York, Mexico City, Winnipeg, Toronto. Like I've been on this long run of a play. And I said, well, you know, I don't know if I'm really interested in doing cartoons. I'm a serious actress, you know, I do movies and television and theater, you know, that was the attitude at the time. So I didn't go to the auditions. But a few months later, my agent called me again, and she said, Lenore, would you please get over to these auditions? They're having callbacks, and they still haven't found the right actor for the part, because it's you. So I went down, and I saw a picture of Rogue from a cell, just standing there, you know, with her hand on her hip and the attitude. And I went, oh yeah, I can do that. And then I walked in the booth and I said, my daddy liked to kill himself when he found out I was a mutant. That was, I think, my first line. And then it was a little tiny monologue of, I remember I had me a boyfriend when I was 13. Had me a boyfriend till I kissed him. Poor boy went into a coma for 3 days. That was the next part. And I heard these guys in the LA booth, you know, miles away, screaming and going, that's the voice, don't let her leave. And that was it. That was how it started.
Oh yeah, we were all listening to her. We had heard all these different tryouts, and when we heard her in unison, we were all going, oh my God, don't let her leave the studio. Sign her up now.
Sugar, I don't know what it is, but Larry oftentimes calls our show the success and everything that went into it, lightning in a bottle. And I'd say that was a moment that day. So thank you all, and I'm so grateful to be here.